Alright guys, Cardian is coming at you guys with a voltage regulator, guys. We use this in the car from the alternator to, uh, this is a voltage regulator, guys. Yep, 12 volts as you can see. All the information is there. Alright, so this one comes with a problem, guys. These are the transistor. Those are the one that do the regulating and that kind of stuff. Yeah, transistor. So yeah. And these one are the MJ4502G. Yeah, I think they said they are PNP, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And this, guys, normally when this problem occurs, it said that when you hook it up, the voltage just keep going up. And it's, there's nothing you could do with this little thing here to adjust it. It's not, it's not adjusting. This is, just adjust it. So normally when this happens, guys, let me check. Because I was checking from, I opened these, then I said, all right, let me just make a video just in case. What I think happened. Sometimes like when these go bad, they short out. So let me see if any of them is shorting to anywhere. Alright, so you could put one here, guys, on the body here, guys, or whichever. Yeah. So I put one there. And then I wish I have something guys to show you what I'm doing. But the way to get to this here, I can put one of this here. One of the pin of the transistor inside here. Alright, nothing there. Oh yeah, get a little reading. Like that. That kind of low. I'm more looking for like shot. Oh yeah, yes. So whoa, the first one. Alright. That one is open. And also, yeah, this way read both ways the same way, guys. So yeah. And it read it this way, yeah, the same way. Oh yeah, this transistor is really sharp, guys. Both ways read it like that. The next one up top, I can't get to it unless I take this thing off. And the way this thing is on this, guys, it's not that easily comes off. And it's not easily started out. How the heck they put this thing together? Oh my word, I want to get to it, guys, but for now it doesn't really matter, guys, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace both of them. So when I'm going to do that, definitely I make a video, because I don't have any right now. Just make one video, so I definitely gonna make a part 2 of this video. Or maybe I could find one, guys, but it's gonna take me a long time to search. Now I'm still going to search, guys. Definitely still going to search. But give me a minute. Let me just see if I find any. Okay, guys. All right. Let's see if I found some. As you could see, these are bagged out like MT. That one is. Zuna 8J something here. So let's see if I can find 2 of the same. I didn't remember where I put these, guys. So yeah, these are marked from not me, but yep. So I found, hey MJ, I'm close. 2955. Here we have nope. Something, no way. Can you imagine all 2 doors and still doesn't find any? Jeez, something I could cross reference it, guys. Maybe one of those can work, but for now, let me just go through it. Not you. Jeez, I wish I was 2N37. 2N3772. Maybe these can work too. I never know. You never know, guys. When I have a bag here which says MJ15023, these are output for amplifiers. I know. Oh, so this PNP same way as that one says 200 watt volt, really. And that's not an output, it's a regulator. But sometimes they were, let's just see. MJ 15016. I'm gonna cross reference the part that. Yeah. What the heck are these? Like some heads. He said 2SC2388. Jeez, a bunch of them. 2SC23. Wow. Yeah. They're all brand new or new, but whichever way you guys wanna say. Yeah. And 3772. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep searching, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, look at this one. All the parts that's in this bin is listed right here on it. I'm not even one of what I need. Can you imagine? That's really something. Sometimes just go through it just to see if you get lucky. Right, that's a bag of parts right there. Ooh, these are coming out. These MJ1522. Yeah, 022, guys. MJ15022. These are MJ15025. Goodness, do I have these work, man? So I'm gonna find the ECG for this. MJ 51. Sorry about that, guys. Let me see if I can find a crossover for this thing here. Okay. Not PT or Google. This is MJ4502. J4502G. Come on, something, don't mess me up. Right, so you have the data sheet, it's on. Yeah, it's really right. It's definitely on. Put up. Download. Download to what? Ooh, wow, what are these? Microsoft, Samsung Note, PDF. Whatever things I was just once. Like this phone doesn't equip with a lot of stuff. I don't know why it's saying that. So I was downloading something. Oh yeah, it's downloaded. Got the data sheet download for it. I don't really need this. I need a cross reference. So it's definitely a PNP transistor. Okay. This transistor is for use as an output device in okay, yeah. Complementary audio amplifier to 100 watt music power per channel. Okay, so one of what? This is a regulator. Oh, okay, so it says it's used for output. Okay, and these are output, guys. Right? I'm reaching somewhere. So let's just see 100 watts. So this is a 30 amp. For chance is a PNP silicon 100 volts to 100 watt. Okay, 100 volt, 100 watt. Alright, guys. So yeah, that's really something. So I'm gonna go to a MJ now. MJ, because I know these are output too. MJ 15025. 15. Let's see 024 come up. 25. 25. What I'm doing, guys, I want to match it up, but I'm doing the wrong thing right here, guys. I should be looking in NTE for the something. Alright, so guys, this is the PNP, and also this one is a 16 amp. The other one was what? I don't remember, guys. 25 volts is I at 200 volts, 250 volts, 250 watt. Wow, yikes. I think this can work too. The PNP 23 and 25 is the same. Alright. I'll definitely maybe use two of these guys if I get that thing apart. It says this amplifier transistor designed for high power audio is head position and out other linear. Okay. So it's an audio transistor. So guys, what I wanna do, what I need to do is go to NTE. This side doesn't come up like how it's supposed to. Alright, so I go to NTE cross reference. Alright, quick cross reference. Man, it's asking me to install it. Alright. Let me just install it, guys. Open. This guy's opening the NTE. First name, last name, whatever. Come on. And wow. I never have to spell out my name on this phone. See if I can bypass this here. Come on. Let's see if I can find this app. I just downloaded it. Come on, something. Where is it? Can you imagine, guys? MJ 4502 replacement parts. So replacement for these guys, let me see if I find any. It's not showing me nothing for the replacement. Come on. So 100 volt transistor. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Alright guys, I know it will work, but let me see something now. I'm gonna try to take this apart. Whew. So let's see what's going on here now. To remove these transistors right there. Haha, this is kind of funny. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. They don't put screws in these, they put some. So I guess this way to the metal here. Nope, let's see. Let's see. It is tied to this too. Okay, now that's where to there. So let's see the type of this. Aha. So it doesn't touch this thing here. It doesn't. Very good. Getting these off, oh my words. All right, guys. Let's see what I'm going to do here. This side of this. If I mean, unscrew here. Something there. I have to find a way to screw this back onto it if I. This little thing is just gonna take a lot of work than I expected. Why these people just put screw the thing to the thing, man? And here they glue some stuff here now to keep this circuit board done. The circuit board, guys. Oh shit, sorry guys. See you guys out some silicone is here. That's not my problem, right? It is a circuit board, but then on this side is a black kind of from a glue they use, kind of epoxy type. Yeah. And I have to take that apart before I take this apart. So yeah, this is gonna take some time, guys. Alright guys, please stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Definitely wasn't expecting to be that long. Yeah, alright guys. See you on the next one, guys. Carton cardio up for now with this regulator repair, guys. Yeah. See you on the next one, guys. And part 2 of this one coming up.